My husband don't take over my kitchen, no. I cannot wait to eat my husband food today. Don't take away cook rich. He don't take away cook for me rich. I cannot wait to eat this food. Oh God, what are you cooking?
I'm cooking stew. The big tatashi like this, I'm telling you.
Look at it, oh, make us see what they cook. Oh. Okay, you are blending tomatoes.
Yes, let me first of all do this one.
Okay.
So
I cannot wait to test this food though. My husband have you cook. Oh,
this is
not
what
trying
we call village food.
Village food, you work. Who wrote me food, Abby?
Yeah, food.
Guys, don't worry. We're gonna see the latest how they say they make vegetable stew. Latest. This one, I'm not sure say anybody don't cook this type before. Now, like
nobody have ever tried this. So
touch it.
I'm telling you. Whosoever test, we never test again.
Whosoever test, we never test again.
Never test.
Okay, oh. We are blending our tomatoes. Ryan, you want to join daddy? The cover here. So we are blending our tomatoes.
Yes.
Snap, tatache, onions. Okay. It's looking nicely. Everywhere is looking nicely.
Wow. So.
Okay. What next?
We are through with this now. Now we put it here.
Okay, let me throw this one away.
We put it here. Wow. This is we call rough blending.
Okay, rough blending. Okay.
Wow. Rough blending. Okay. Now what I do next? This great tatashi.
Oh, you don't remove the seed. You see, you ketra. You only wash the back. You see, you.
There is a seed inside.
Of course, now see now.
This one.
Please cut it off and wash inside.
Okay.
Ketra, you want to cook it like that?
Wow.
Make una see our ketra.
Why? That is why God said, "Who have found a wife, find a good thing."
You try.
So they will always be there for you.
You see. Okay. Oh. No wahala.
So, it's not like for those who don't have a wife. So.
Shevu na here.
If not, I will cook it anyhow.
We go chop her like that.
I will go chop her anyhow.
We go chop her anyhow. Okay.
So,
sister want to help us.
Sister me.
Sister want join you now.
No. Sister, this is not women's session.
Okay. Oh. Now ma get kitchen today. Oh.
This is not women's session.
Rejoice.
If I need somebody, if I need help, I call my guy. Okay? Where I was helping me to slice onions, where were you?
Okay. I cannot wait to eat this food. My husband have you cook. See, guys, may I tell you now? They cook beans. Like if you cook beans. Man, no worry. I go drag a come make a teach you how to cook beans. Okay, in another video. My husband they cook beans. The beans they sweet. They really like the taste, the smell. Like the beans they really sweet. For beans, he beat me for that one. I don't feel like he beat me for that one. Well.
The village food, though.
Okay, village food. Pack.
Accident jollof.
Accident.
I don't know what I was hear about accident.
No, that one is a bit lost. But it is sweet on you. The way they cook it is sweet. Even on a pack. If I eat, you just like say I change food. They really like man cook with food where woman cook. Difference the day. You understand? Difference the day. Like say person change taste of food for me.
Let's cook. Let's cook. Yeah.
come down. Okay, now granola oil.
Put in onions and pepper. Yes, this is my delicious stew. Surprising my wife this time.
Okay, our stew is cooking nicely. We just put fish now. Okay. 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 My sweet husband make, oh, guys. I never test them. So yesterday, by the time when you started to cook this tea yesterday, guys, it was around 9. See, before all those kind of level, I could not wait to. I don't feel wait again. That's what I tell her, say I won't go sleep. Oh. Now it's okay, but I go sleep. So I'm not gonna know when you can take cook and finish. I don't know when you can take cook and finish, but I don't say because the aroma alone. I don't say it was sweet. Yes, I don't say it was sweet. So now this morning I got the ask her say, how far you got waka last night? When you can't take cook finish, then you got to tell me saying around that time after 12, now you can't take finish. And I say, wow, you try, you try, you guy, you really try. So the vegetable you just sprinkle inside. It's still many anyway. The vegetable still many. Wow, the aroma. The aroma is giving. Guys, hope so I enjoy the video. I enjoy my husband cooking. I say my husband material. Cannot wait to test this stew later. So guys, wait to test this stew later. Yummy, yummy stew. Yummy, yummy stew. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. So I'm going to end this video here. So guys, I will end this video now. Okay, I'll see you now in my next one. Bye.